Hello everyone, welcome back. I am teacher Pooja and I am also a learner with you. This is our day 24. It must it could have been our day 26 but it did not. So let's enjoy our day 24. Today I am sitting in the open sky just look at this, and I'm trying to do the best thing that I could do with myself is practice for 10 minutes. I was procrastinating doing practice for minimum 10 minutes until 10 days in the evening. I did not practice in the evening and whole the day, but in the late night 11 or 12 p.m. and I feel all the day long that I will record now 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, 1 hour later, after watching this, after watching that, and blah 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 blah. And never I never record myself, and I did not do done practice in the day time, but in night. And I was doing well in my English learning journey because it is my day 24 and I am pretty doing good. I am pretty good in speaking English and making sentences because I I know how to read, I know how to make sentences, but I did not know how to speak because I did not do practice. I did not do practice more and more. But in coming days, I am on the purpose of doing practice daily, and I am on 100 days challenge to be a native English speaker. I wanted it by my heart because English in India, English is the most thing that makes the human that makes the Indian pupils looking great or gorgeous while they speak English, no matter how much their color is dark or bright. But if they speak confidently, they can achieve whatever they want. And I want be a native English speaker and or also a public speaker. And every time when I want a public speaker in any language, it I find it very difficult. And while I try to speak English, it also difficult. So I think if I do practice in English and try to speak in front of public in English with practice, it could be two ways possible that it it maybe I could achieve two things at a one time, that be a native English speaker and a public speaker. So I put myself on 100 days challenge. I am doing well. I just read 10 pages, 10 10 pages, two side I count two-sided in one paper, and I read something 12 papers, means 10 pages, one page, and I count both of side as two page. So I read 12 page, and I speak. I do speak in front of the camera and can say I did my practice today for 12 minutes in the in the morning session, and I am doing again in the evening, because whenever I feel like it to do more practice, I should do, because someday or in 100 days I must be on a I could have been on a holiday, and I did not. I could not achieve my day practice anyhow. So in advance, if any day I feel to practice 3 or 4 times, I should do. So I am on the purpose to be confident, to be disciplined, to be consistent, and to be a native English speaker, and or as well as a public speaker. In my 100 days videos, you might have find so much wrong pronunciation, so much words that I am not pronounced as that I am not pronouncing louder, and it might have been in lower voice, but this is due to my practice session, because in in, in my friend groups and in my family members, I am a good speaker, and I am able to make them satisfied with my abilities. And if I want to tell or say something in front of my relatives and in front of my friends, I am good at it. But in front of the camera, I am doing the just boring stuff, that sometime it might be some air coming from my mouth, and sometimes there is some words that I'm just mispronouncing. Sometimes I just fluctuate my lips, and the air is just coming out and not the word. This is all because of fear of fear of failure and speaking in front of the camera, because everyone is intelligent and everyone is good in speaking, but when it comes to speak in front of camera and in front of public on stage, it is the worst version of ourselves that we find difficult to speak, and our mind start blubbering, can say just shouting that I don't do it, and I do not want to speak in front of someone, in front of camera. So we feel embarrassment. Our mind feel embarrassment if we made wrong sentence or wrong word in front of someone, how they will judge us, and people might laugh on us. So our mind, our brains feels like judgment, feels like judged by peoples, and our mind just signals not to speaking. Our brain, our mind signals to our brains that not to speak a single word. So we can remove this hesitation with daily practice in front of the camera and in front of the mirror, because as much as we do practice in front of the camera and in front of the mirror, we get clarity to our mind and to our brains, and we are making confidence in speaking front of the public. And the more practice you are doing, the more confidence you are generating. So guys, just welcome, you are again in our practicing session. And if you want to watch me from my day 1 until day 100, you can join me. And if you want be a native English speaker with me, you can do you can start doing practice daily in front of the camera, and you should record at least minimum 2 minutes daily. And when you are feeling confidence in front of the camera for 2 minutes, you can increase your time. In starting, you can increase it to 30 minutes, 2.3, 2 and 2 minutes 30 seconds, and slowly 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. And you, in the end of the month, you can speak for 10 minutes or more with confidence. But do not left your practice for 3 days or for 4 days. If you left your practice for 1 day, it is good. If you sometimes left your practice for 2 days or 3 days, it might be lower good, not good. But never left your practice for 1 week and just start it again. So guys, welcome in our English, welcome in my English learning journey. And you can also learn and speak day by day. Thank you so much for having me.